iOS 10 is the 10th major release of the iOS mobile operating system, developed by Apple Incorporated, being the successor of iOS 9. It was announced at the company's Worldwide Developers Conference on June 13, 2016, and was released on September 13, 2016. iOS 10 incorporates changes to 3D Touch and the lock screen. There are new features to some apps, messages, and additional emojis. And third apps can extend functionally in iMessage. Maps has redesigned interface and additional third-party functions. The Home app manage HomeKit enabled and categorized of media known as memories. And Siri is compatible with third-party app-specific requests, such as starting workout apps, sending MIS, or using Uber, or to use payment functions. iOS 10 is also the last version of iOS to support devices with 32-bit processor. So that means that is also the last version of iOS that supports 32-bit apps. Reviews of iOS 10 were positive. Reviewers highlighted the significant updates to iMessage, Siri, Photos, 3D Touch, and the lock screen as welcome changes. The third-party extension supports to iMessage meant it was becoming a platform, although the user interface was criticized for being difficult to understand. Third-party integration in Siri was great, although the voice assistant was criticized for not having become smarter, and before reviewers were impressed with the image recognition technology in Photos, although noting it was still in a work progress with a higher error rate than the competition. 3D Touch finally feels useful and works in almost every part of the OS. The lock screen was far more stabilized than before, and reviewers enjoyed that notification bubbles could be expanded to see more information without needing to unlock a phone. So let's jump up to the system features. So for the control center has been redesigned and split into 3 pages. One for general settings, one for audio controls, and one for controlling HomeKit, Internet of Things, applications, etc. if used. 3D Touch capabilities have been added to several updates. For the home screen, apps can be shown a widget and their home screen icon is accessed with 3D Touch. Most default apps included with iOS device can be hidden from the home screen and re-downloaded from App Store. Upon doing this, the sandbox of the respective app is removed, which contains user data, settings, and cache. The app is also hidden from other places such as the Today view, the Setting app, and Share Sheets, although which the user can interact with the app from within another app. This feature was first hinted at during the interview of September 2015, in which Apple CEO Tim Cook stated that Apple was looking at allowing customers to remove unused stock apps. And for the keyboard, QuickTape virtual keyboards, which provide word completion capabilities, can predict likely responses to questions and suggest relevant information based on location, calendar availability, and contacts. The find feature in previous iOS version has been replaced by Lookup and now expand its utility from just providing definitions to retrieving information from locations, web browsing history, downloaded apps, suggested websites, and more. The QuickTape keyboard will allow the user to type in multiple languages if the user selects the desired language in the dictionary and keyboard setting menus. The user has ability to change keyboard settings specifically for physical keyboards such as autocorrect and autocapitalization.